This is the installation process for the SOEASY CAC-NW solar carport mounting system. SOEASY solar carport mounting system has the following advantages. Flexible, all types of solar panels. Lightweight solution, aluminum anodized Al6005T5 profile. Easy and quick fixed by only E2 with high factory, pre-assembled components. A high recyclable value and low waste disposal cost. We can customize solar mounting solutions according to the size of customers' current parking space. Comparing with the waterproof carport, its structure is simplifier and easier to be installed. SOEASY will keep optimizing the design of solar carport mounting system to offer an excellent installation experience for users. And our carport has 10 years warranty and 25 years lifelong. Professional design solution and detailed manual will save the cost and time for installation.